I don't know. I'll have to look him up. Could be something new. It's pretty nice in the woods. Or my option too, I think I mentioned it in another video, is I can cut through here. I'm still looking at what I want to do. Trail through the middle would be nice too. It's just, I'm not going to make a trail like this. It's just going to be something that weaves around the trees through the woods to get to the other side. Yeah. Yeah, I should put my work boots on and get going. I'm going to cook those pancakes first though. Yeah, kind of uneventful. Yesterday I charged quite a bit in town. I charged while I was bringing the Steiner tractor out here. I used my truck and trailer to do that, and then I grabbed my lawnmower and brought that into town, put it in my shop, and I'm gonna go over it this winter and do the maintenance, oil change, and it's kind of a bog over there, and it's even kind of it's got some water over there too. There used to be more, but the cattails are taking over, I think. It's mostly just cattails. Oh, I could put you into more of a sulfy type look too. I should be able to get that a burning permit to burn that pile of debris over there. Well, they're like this, but they're pretty cautious too, because they don't want to have a fire not completely go out and then it dries out. And right now we're in a pretty fire-prone time of the year with all the fall leaves on the ground. So they got to be careful in issuing permits. Thing is, if they're burning big stumps or something, those can burn for a few days. Depending on how dry they were, they might be smoldering, and then that can lead to a forest fire. So anyways, I'll get back to you. I don't know if I want to show you breakfast or not, and I want to have another fire too. And maybe even do a barbecue on the charcoal. We'll see. So, I'll get back to you in a bit. Just kind of waking up and straighten things out. We'll talk to you in a bit. Bye now.